Hello, my name is Saksham Dixit, and my project's name is Tic-Tac-Toe. My GitHub username is Saksham Dixit SBH, and my EDX username is Saksham Dixit. I'm recording this presentation in Kendall Park, USA on September 11th, 2025. Now let's get to the project. This project is a command line implementation of Tic-Tac-Toe in C, designed to show how modular functions, array, and simple AI can come together to form a complete game. So the init board deals with the initialization and clears the grid at the start of every game. The display is handled by DisplayBoard, which presents the board to a user in a readable format. The input handling is done by getPlayerMove, which ensures that the player provides a valid number and does not overwrite an occupied square. The move application is done by makeMove, which ensures that the player provides valid number and does not override an occupied square. The game state checks are done by two functions: checkWinner, which determines if either side has 3 in a row, and isBoard full, which detects a tie. The AI logic is split into two parts: the find winning move, which looks ahead to see if a particular move will result in victory, and computer move, which uses a 3-step strategy. If possible, it would win, or otherwise it would block the player if needed. And finally, the last thing, it would play the best available square. Finally, the play game method, it acts as the controller and it coordinates all the functions in a loop until the game ends. Now, let's go to the gameplay. So let's drag this up and let's run. So as you can see, when you run it, you are met with a nice UI which illustrates all the positions that you could go in. So as my starting position, I'll press 1. And the computer is thinking and it chooses position 5. As you can see, the AI was trained in a way so it would always go to the center, and then it would go to the corners, and then the edges finally. So now let's do 2. And theoretically, the computer should go 3 to try to block my move off. And it does. And I'm going to do 7 to block the computer from winning. And now the computer stopped. The computer made us move and placed it in 4, and now I will have to block it in order to prevent it from winning. So let's do 6, and it looks like this round is going to be a tie. So I'll just put in an 8. So and it's a tie, good game. And then you are given the choice whether you want to play again or not. That is my presentation. Thank you for watching.